Think your favorite decor style is out? Think again. These 10 have survived every trend. Japandi, where Japanese calm meets Scandinavian comfort. Warm woods, soft textures, peaceful living. Modern organic nature moves indoors with stone, linen, wood, and curves that feel effortlessly luxurious. Maximalism, more color. More art, more personality. Every corner tells a story. Industrial raw brick, black steel, and weathered wood. Rugged without trying too hard. Mid-century modern clean lines, iconic furniture, and timeless simplicity from the 1950s that still feels fresh. Boho chic layers, woven textures, plants, and collected treasures that make a house feel lived in. Coastal bright spaces, natural fibers, soft blues, and effortless relaxation. Vacation without the airport security line. Traditional elegant moldings, rich woods, classic furniture, and beauty that never asks for attention. Farmhouse rustic warmth mixed with modern comfort. Cozy never really goes out of style. 10. Art Deco bold geometry, gold accents, marble, and unapologetic glamour from the Roaring '20s. Every home tells a story. Which style feels most like yours?